Hello tile lovers, I'm back to help you with your kitchen tile combination. Let's check out each mood board that we've created one by one. These are not random ideas. These are real combinations selected by our clients for their homes. Now this combination is called earthy and textured. Now we have two vitrified tiles here. This size is 400 by 400 mm and this one is 1200 by 600 mm. So this can be used for floors and walls, especially this one is for the floors and this one is for the walls. So when you combine this wall tile with a subway tile, now this tile is 300 by 600 mm. This can be used for shower surrounds or behind your wash basin. Then we have our border tile, which is this. This adds like a detailing strip. Just imagine this. Look how beautifully it combines with the tile. This is our KitKat tile. Even this is in the 300 by 600 size. This adds a vertical accent to the wall. Now I know this has completely bounced over your head because these are so many tiles and you are confused how to combine them. Let me show you our mock-up. Now this is the tile combination that I showed you. Let me tell you. This here is the vitrified tile and this one here is the KitKat tile. Now in between this, we have added this border tile as a detailing strip and just look how it has changed the complete look. So as we are talking about bathroom tiles, we highly recommend you to go for vitrified anti-skid tile and that is what we've used here. This one here is an anti-skid vitrified tile in the size 400 by 400 mm. They are also available in other beautiful colors. Now our next combination is natural earth feel. This is in the size of 1200 by 600 mm. They both can be used on floors and walls because they are vitrified tiles. Now it can be combined as one can go on floors and one can go on walls, or you can make it like both can go on floors and both can go on walls. Now you will be wondering how that can happen in one bathroom, right? Let me show you. Now this is what I was saying, that in one bathroom how you can put the same tile on floors and walls. Now this tile is on floors and walls because we've divided this entire segment in two parts. This is the shower surround and we've used the same tile for floors and walls, and this is the washroom area and the basin area where we've used this green earthy tone for the floors and walls. Now if you want to make it look elegant, we've used here a glass partition. You can also combine it in a way that this one here comes on the wall and the green one comes on the floor, or this plain green vitrified tiles come on the wall and this one comes on the floor. However you want, because they both are vitrified tiles and are equally durable. Now this combination is warm terracotta with soft neutrals. Now this one is in same color, but this one is plain and this one is geometric. So this can go on your walls, with this being on the bottom area and this one being on the top area. And we'll combine it with this tile, which is in 300 by 300 size. Now this color combination makes sure that your bathroom looks warm but also balanced. They are also available in other colors. Let's check. One combination was to keep the geometric tile on the top and the plain one at the bottom, and this one here is the another combination. You can keep both the tiles on one wall each. Here we have beige color and that one there is in green color. Here we have it in purple one and that is in the shade white. This is the blue color which is looking so refreshing. This is classic brown with decorative contrast. Here this is the 600 by 600 mm porcelain tile that goes on the floor. There we have the decorative tile that goes as a highlighter, and for the rest of the walls we have this terrazzo tile that has the shades of brown in it. This combination is looking so classy and elegant. Just imagine this one being behind your shower surround or wash basin and this one covering the rest of the walls. This is marble base with green geometric accent. Here we have full body vitrified tile in the size 600 by 600 mm which goes for the floor. Now here we have marble finish tile that is for the walls, and to add the highlight we have this geometric subway tile in the size 300 by 600 mm. What we saw earlier was in green color. Now we have this color available in pink also. The marble tile on the top while the geometric subway tile is at the bottom. We've combined it with our anti-skid vitrified tile in the grey color, but it is also available in beige, blue and grey. Now we have soft beige with linear accent. So this one is the perfect combination if you're looking for a minimalistic look. Here we have this 400 by 400 vitrified tile which is anti-skid for your floors. We've combined this with this glossy marble finish vitrified tile. And how can we miss out the highlight part? Here we go. This one is KitKat geometric tile in the size 300 by 600 mm which is in glossy shade. This comes in some other beautiful colors as well. Let me show you. So we have here vitrified tile of 1200 by 600 mm and this one is a tropical tile. It is majorly used for decor purpose. For the rest of the wall, we have this plain vitrified tile in the same size. Then we have this full body vitrified plain tile that goes on the wall. The size is 600 by 600 mm. Then we have this KitKat geometric tile which also has a bit shimmer in this. This also acts as a vertical accent. Have a look at this combination. Imagine decorating your home like your living room, kitchen, bedroom, anywhere, and this one being your decor wall. Now this is one of the beautiful mock-ups that we have where we've combined plain marble based tile along with a tropical tile here. Now again we have a very beautiful combination for tropical lovers. Here we have a vitrified tropical tile that will again go as a decor wall, and for the rest of the walls we have this 300 by 600 mm ceramic tile. This is the floor tile that is made of porcelain of 600 by 600 mm. And this one here is a beautiful KitKat tile of 300 by 600 mm of ceramic. For your shower surround, you can go for this beautiful tropical tile, and behind your wash basin you can go for this beautiful green KitKat tiles. They are also available in other beautiful colors. Our next combination is about dark marble and warm essence. So for this we have this high glossy marble textured tile that is in the size 800 by 1600 mm. To combine with this we have this beautiful geometric tile that is in the size 300 by 600 mm. This is made of ceramic, and for flooring we've used this anti-skid vitrified 400 by 400 mm tile. Here we have designed the shower surround using the bright and beautiful geometric tile, and for the rest of the walls we've gone for this beautiful veined marble base. Next we have soft florals and pastel neutrals. So in this combination we have this beautiful marble finish tile in pink shade which is vitrified 1200 by 600 mm size. Then we have this porcelain tile in 600 by 600 tile which goes for flooring. This one here is actually for the side walls, and for the main feature wall we have this beautiful floral tile. This is in the size 300 by 600 mm made of ceramic. Now this combination will give you a very calm and soothing vibe. So if you're looking for something like that, then this one is the best go-to choice for you. Now I spoke so much about how you can use various colors, various patterns such as KitKat, tropicals, green, blue, whatnot. But what if I tell you that your entire bathroom can be completed in just one color? Let's see this. Now this one is 600 by 1200 mm vitrified tile that we've used for this wall, but for the decor part we've used this beautiful textured tile here. Now to enhance the texture we've added a light over there so the texture is clearly visible. This was just a glimpse of a few tile combinations that we've curated for your bathroom. Visit my tiles to explore endless possibilities for your bathroom. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.